In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload your sales data from your POS into Bar Patrol so you can run your variance report to see exactly how accurately your bartenders are pouring. Okay, this is the most valuable report inside of Bar Patrol. If you haven't watched the video on reporting and analytics, you can do so right here. Also, I want to mention that as of the making of this video, we are adding a new process for uploading your sales data using AI that will make it even easier for you so that you can just copy paste your sales data into our template and upload it instantly. So just know as you watch this tutorial that even a better way is coming soon. Okay, I'll put that video out when it is ready. You can visit us at barpatrol.net to learn more about Bar Patrol Inventory app at any time. Okay, here we go.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your sales data into Bar Patrol. In order to do this, you simply export your sales data to an Excel spreadsheet and it uploads instantly into Bar Patrol. If you're unsure how to do this, ask your POS rep because nearly every POS system has the capability to do this these days. Once you export to Excel, you will get something that looks like this. You can see in this spreadsheet we have a POS ID number, an item name. We also need the number sold and the total dollar amount sold. Not every POS system has POS ID numbers, but that's okay. We can upload this sheet by POS ID number or by item name. In order to upload your sales data, you need to have your recipes set up. Your recipes define every one of these sales items. We need to know the portion and which product go into each of these. You can learn more about that in the recipe setup video when you sign up. When you're ready to upload your sales data, go to POS on your dashboard, and then in the upper right, go upload PMix or product mix. And then as I mentioned, you can upload it by POS ID number or recipe name. Choose which one applies to you. And then we simply align the columns in the fields here for the ones we need. In this example, since we're doing POS ID number, we need column C, column E, and column G. Then simply choose your sales time period, browse and find the file, and it uploads instantly. Once you upload it, you'll be able to see all of your sales data here. And if you go into the back end, you can see exactly how many you sold and the total sales here. Once your sales data is uploaded, you're able to go run a variance report and see the difference between what the bartenders poured and what they rang in.